Hello, I've been away for a week working on illustrations, back on the boat to deal with the leaks. I've got a couple of leaky windows. I'm just really glad I've got marine ply on this bad boy. So I'm going to be sealing up the leaks. These two windows are going to be fiberglass anyway when I get a bit more money, so I'm completely sealing them up. And I've also got some tarp to seal around the rest of the windows while we dry out the boat. And yeah, I'm a bit low on cash at the moment, so I'm getting my deposit back from the flat at the end of the month. So until I get my hands back on my deposit, I can't afford to get the windows properly sealed. So I've been and talked with a load of people, and they've given me some really cool tarp to put over, some tape, some outdoor tape. I've got a tarpaulin to put on top of that. So hopefully we're just going to do some damage control, and then we'll get it all properly done. But I'm hoping we just need to keep it dry inside while we sort it out, because we have spent a lot of time doing with this beautiful wood, and it's not good when you see this. So I've talked to the guys here about it. They said not to worry, it's marine ply, just needs to wipe down, get all the windows sealed. That's what I'm going to do. It's just annoying because we had all the windows taken out and then put back in to sort out, and still been shoddy. Oh, there's a window fucking open here. Maybe that's bloody why. Oh. Anyway, I'm going to get on this and I'll come back to you in a bit. I'm going to cover the flue because that's wrapped in tape. Look at it. No wonder there's rain getting in. With this, and I've got some glitter tape. It's impossible to keep anything out of the mud here. Anyway, let's try it. Okay. Just going to wrap this round. A bit noisy today. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's nothing that's going to get in there. Ugh. These are supposed to be used as little air hatches, but I'm wondering whether I should cover these up as well. I don't know. This is the problem of doing things when you don't know how to do the things. When you've got the problems, you don't know what to do, but you do them anyway and you give it a go. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. So, apart from watching YouTube videos and talking to people, I've never done this before, but I'm going to give it a go. Oh, there's going to be so many trolls on this, isn't there? Ben's just told me to put the silicone in there. Look at that. Ugh. Terrible mess. Okay, Leela. Oh. Go find somewhere nice and dry. Anyway, so what I'm using for this, I am using Fever Build Everflex Weathermate Gap Filler and Adhesive. Can be applied to wet surfaces. Thank fuck for that. So what I need to do first, I've got my rags. I'm going to clean it out, pop that in, and then I'm going to do it externally, because we've got some problems here. Ugh. So I'm going to do, this window's already sealed, so I'm going to do inside here and outside of here. Yeah, I've just got in, I'm going to do here. I might be doing it all wrong, but if I don't do something, then my boat's going to turn to mulch. So you got to do the best that you can in the circumstances, haven't you? But this weather certainly makes it enjoyable, doesn't it, Leela? Yeah, I'm going to put her in the car. Oh. This is what we're working in. Come on then, let's put you in the car. Oh. One window down, 9 to go. pouring it down with rain. I just put some tarp over the windows. I can't do the silicone work when it's like this. So I know there's a section where there's like bits and bobs. And I'll just show you. I'm looking for stuff to weight it down. Oh, hello! I've got no cornflakes for you, I'm afraid. And I'm a bit scared. Don't really like swans. They're beautiful, but they're terrifying. No cornflakes to give them. No, sorry ladies. I'm going to use something from here. We've got branch, some poles, a chair. Oh. God, what can I use? Oh, good God. I've just found this, so I'm hoping that'll work as well. I've just fallen on one of the sleepers and whammed my leg into it. Oh, it's such a nightmare. So, this seems to be the only window that isn't affected, these two. This covered, these covered. Hopefully they'll dry out so I can silicone on. No problems from this one. This one isn't covered. Bollocks. Fuck's sake. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover that one on put side and try and wrap them up in something so they don't fly away. I'll have to pop back tomorrow and check on them. See if I can silicone and stuff, but yay! Fun! Get a boat, everyone, you'll have the time of your lives. Woo! So, she's all wrapped up, but I can't find any rope. So I've weighed her up on the top. Super heavy stuff. Yeah, Johnson's gonna keep on eyeing it for me. But yeah. Hopefully that'll just dry it out so I can silicone inside and sort out the leaks and get some advice. But yeah, not too bad. So what a miserable bloody day, hasn't it been, Leela? She is. Yeah, the rain is so horrendous, so I'm putting the silicone on, and even though it says, there's a video saying, you can put this on in the wet, you can do it underwater. That's not true. I put it on and it just slid off like a comatose slug. Doesn't work. Take a breath, take a breath. So yeah, in this weather, all you wanted to do really is you're like an Edwardian lady. Yes, Mr. Darcy. Well, Georgian. All you want to do in this weather is keep in the warm, have a nice cup of tea and watch some Christmas films, but of course I move here in a week or so and I've got to keep coming in and doing bit by bit because I'm on my own now. I'll be doing this solo, so if any of you see things that I'm doing wrong and you're biting your nails and you're screaming at the screen, it's a learning process, and I'm listening to people, I'm taking advice, but yeah, I've just got to bloody do it, else I'm going to have nowhere to live. But yeah, I've actually connected with a woman. She's got a channel called The Carpenter's Daughter, and she lives near me, and she does everything DIY, everything. So check her out, proper girl power, fixing up her own stuff. So I'm going to contact her tonight and see if she can give me any advice fixing up the kitchen. I'm going to have a cup of tea. I'm absolutely soaked through, but I've got to go around my friend's house and deliver a painting. But anyway, all the best. See you soon. And we'll be back tomorrow. Oh. We're actually happy, aren't we, Leela? So are we going to live on this boat? No.